So insurance will cover flood, an earthquake, hurricanes, tornadoes, falling trees, and even when a pipe bursts. But will it cover expansive soils? According to most companies, the answer is Hi, I'm Tom Dixon, Director of Operations with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we'll go over what is and is not covered regarding the foundation repair, according to several major insurance companies. It is my hope that by the end of this video, you'll have all the necessary information to make an informed decision about how to manage your home. For the purpose of this video, we received information from the following insurance companies: Progressive, Farmers, and Allstate. This is in no way a promotion of the brand, nor did they reach out to us for advertising. Will insurance cover this repair? The short answer is, it depends. When it comes to insurance, it's important to understand the purpose for insurance as it pertains to your home. Most foundation jobs are repairs that are needed after years of settling, soil heave, etc. Insurance is there to cover an incident that was out of your control or happened immediately. What that means is if your home catches fire, gets damaged by storms, or major pipe bursts or explodes, then the repairs are usually covered. Under general insurance, the key words are sudden and peril. Since most foundation repairs involve issues that happen over time, it falls under the umbrella of general maintenance. Expansive soils happen over time, so insurance won't cover that type of earth movement. If your foundation is damaged by a tree falling, adverse weather, fire, or pipe burst, there is a strong chance the insurance will cover the repairs. Reach out to your insurance agent for clarification on how you're covered. Faulty construction most likely won't be covered under insurance, as it's up to the buyer to make sure the inspections are done before purchasing. In other words, buyer beware. As a homeowner, it's important to be proactive with frequent maintenance. Preventive measures are always a best practice to ensure you don't run into costly repairs not covered by insurance. Don't plant trees or vegetation too close to your home. If you plan on cutting down existing trees, you may deal with a large influx of moisture accumulation, so have a plan to remediate that before cutting down existing trees. Have a rain gutter system installed to help divert as much water away from your home's foundation as legally allowed by local municipalities. Check out our video on the importance of rain gutters in your home. Click here. If you are dealing with a foundation issue that isn't covered by insurance, just know that if the costs for the repair are too high, many foundation repair companies have financing available. A rainy day fund is always a good way to help with the costs associated with these types of problems. Let's face it, sometimes insurance doesn't cover everything, or even most of the problem. Out-of-pocket costs are a frequent thing, so plan accordingly. You'll be glad you did. So now that you know about what isn't covered by insurance, take a quick walk around your property. Do you see any foundation problems? Are there opportunities to put preventive measures like rain gutters into effect? If you have any questions or current foundation concerns, reach out to us. Call us and we'll send one of our foundation experts to help you find the right solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.